In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable options trading on Fidelity. Whether you're using the Fidelity website or the app, the process is pretty straightforward. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of each step involved in this process. So let's get started. First, open the Fidelity app or go to fidelity.com. Sign into your brokerage account using your username and password. If you don't have a brokerage account yet, you'll need to set that up first. This is crucial because you can't proceed without it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From there, navigate to Accounts and Trade. Here, you'll want to select Account Features. Sometimes this option might be labeled as Update Accounts or Features. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these terms, as they can vary slightly. Within this section, look for Margin and Options. This is where you'll begin the process of enabling options trading. Now, click on Apply or Add Options. Choose the specific account you want to enable for options trading. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the right one. This step is important because you want to make sure you're setting up options trading on the correct account. After selecting the account, you'll need to complete the options application. Next up, you'll be presented with a questionnaire. This part is essential as it helps Fidelity assess your suitability for options trading. You'll be asked about your investing experience, options trading experience, financial situation, investment objectives, and risk tolerance. Fidelity uses this information to determine the options trading level you qualify for. Take your time while answering these questions, as accurate information can impact your approval level. After that, it's time to review and submit your application. Carefully read the options agreement. This document outlines the terms and conditions you'll need to accept. Once you've gone through it, accept the terms and submit your application. This step ensures that your application is officially in Fidelity's review process. At this point, all you need to do is wait for approval. Fidelity will review your application and notify you of the approved options level. It's worth noting that you might receive approval for a lower level than you requested. This happens if your qualifications align more closely with a different level. Don't worry though. You can always adjust your application later if your circumstances change. Now, let's check your approval status. Return to Accounts and Trade and head back to Account Features. Select Options to view your approved options level. You can also use Fidelity's online status tracker to check on the application status. This is a handy tool to keep track of where you stand in the approval process. A few important notes before we wrap up. Remember, you must have a brokerage account before applying for options trading. Some strategies will require a margin agreement, so be aware of that as well. Approval is not guaranteed, but don't be discouraged if you're denied or approved at a lower level. If your experience or circumstances change, you can reapply later. With everything covered, you should feel ready to enable options trading on Fidelity. Thank you for watching and happy trading.